How to transfer crypto from Wealthsimple to Cold Wallet. Follow the instructions. Open the Wealthsimple app on your phone and log into your account. Tap the Move tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the option that says Send or Receive Crypto. Tap on the Send option. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Enter the amount of crypto you want to send. Open your Cold Wallet and find the receive address for the same cryptocurrency. Copy the receive address from your Cold Wallet. Paste the wallet address into the Send field in Wealthsimple. Double-check that the address matches exactly and is for the correct network. Review the details of your transfer to make sure everything is correct. Confirm and complete the transaction to send the crypto to your Cold Wallet. Thank you for watching.